Today we're going to figure out how to paint an ice cream sandwich.
Okay, the question of the day is, when was the ice cream sandwich invented?
All right, let's run through the colors. Titanium white, Mars black, Indian yellow, primary yellow, Quin red, primary magenta, phthalo blue, Quin blue, phthalo green. Let's get the party started. Alright, we're going to work on the ice cream sandwich. We're going to fill this brown in. Once that's dry, we're going to add kind of the dimples in it. Right now there's no dimples. Fill in the ice cream cone. Probably add a little bit of highlight here to kind of make that roundness on the curve here, right here. Fill in the purple, fill in the rose. Let's see where it goes.
So the ice cream sandwich was invented just right after the World's Fair, when they invented the ice cream cone. And someone got the idea of putting two biscuits or wafers between ice cream to hold it and eat it. This guy, in 1921, he patented the ice cream machine that kind of made these wafers and ice creams together into a bar. And he was one of the first known patents. However, it's just really widely spread, so there's multiple versions of this. There's no one that really owns, per se, what's considered the classic ice cream sandwich, because there's multiple versions worldwide. Different countries came up with different versions, so it's not like it's super unique. But the American version was made by this guy in 1921, at least the ice cream machine. But the first known versions of it were actually 1905, which is the year after the World's Fair, when the ice cream cone came out. So that's the history of the ice cream sandwich.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I have this really nice dark blue top with the pink bottom. I think this is probably one of the better ice cream you can read the best, with the ice cream sandwich with the wafer and the chocolate brown coating, and the ice cream looks pretty believable. I used a kind of a light blue for the cool side of the ice cream. I think that might be a little bluer than I want, but I've seen it before in other painting styles. Demon Core painted like this way, so I figured, just copy the master, right? So that's basically my take. I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty tasty. Hopefully you guys like it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting review. Thanks for watching, guys.